Let's evaluate this integral of x power x from 0 to 1. First, rewrite the x power x as an exponential form using the logarithmic identity. And substitute in the integral, it becomes integral of e power x ln x from 0 to 1. Now use this Maclaurin series of e power z and put z equal to x ln x to replace in the integral. And replace the exponential with the series inside the integral. Also switch the order of summation and integration. Make this substitution x equal to e power minus u, and change the limits accordingly from infinite to 0. After simplifying this, we get an integral involving exponentials and powers of u. I hope you know this gamma function identity in the factorial form. Use the identity to evaluate this exponential integral. Now cancelling out this factorial n, and this is our final infinite sum expression. It also can expressed as this beautiful alternating series which represents integral of x power x from 0 to 1. Keep learning and subscribe the channel.